You know, the other week I was supposed to take this thing to Grid Life, but I didn't have a chance to actually take it up because my alternator failed on this thing, and unfortunately, I just couldn't get another one in time. And yeah, I'm pretty sad about it because last year I took this car out to Grid Life Laguna Seca, and it was such an awesome time. If you guys have never been to Grid Life, it's probably the best motorsports for enthusiasts. That's you know, you can do drifting, you can do camping. They have a friggin' like rave-ish, you know, festival thing that happens. And I was trying to really get this thing set up to go to Grid Life, but it just didn't work out. I got this fancy alternator from Jay's Alternators, and I guess it failed after a few, I don't know, 100 miles. It might be because the alternator was made for a stock Integra and mine's not stock, so I'm not sure if my electronic power steering is putting way too much pressure on it, but I doubt it. I don't know why it failed, but anyways, I sent it back to them and they're gonna replace it and put a bigger pulley on it. But yeah, look, the car looks totally different from the last time you guys probably seen this thing. I made a lot of updates to this car, you know, exterior wise, to get it ready for a high-speed track like Laguna Seca. So yeah, I did the splitter end plates right here from Race Bread. I know some of you guys might think this doesn't do anything, but this actually creates a good amount of downforce for the front end where you can probably feel it at high speed. And then my Race Bread splitter, that's been on there for a hot minute. The wing right there, that's a Voltex Type 1 wing. And then the PCI side skirts right here extracts and then diverts air down this whole thing. So yeah, I was really trying to get it ready for Grid Life and well, just didn't make it. So we're just gonna keep working on this and hopefully we can get her done and then do a little shakedown at the track one of these days. And I also have a diffuser. I'm not gonna show you which one that is yet, but it's a dry carbon diffuser and it's an absolute beast. I'm gonna be trying to fit that sometime this week, but I know I'm gonna have to make new brackets and all this stuff and blah, 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 blah. But the car looks pretty good. I mean, this is not a show car, so if you guys are new to this channel and think this is a show car, this thing gets really driven. I mean, I ripped the heck out of this car at the local canyon, so if you guys wanna see videos, just scroll back. Oh, and I also got this thing repolished. Look, no scratches, nothing. Look at that, perfect. And I got the guys at Adams Polishes to repolish this thing, and it looks absolutely amazing. But let me show you the engine bay setup right here. This is my B18C, and mind you, I put a lot of miles on the canyons on this thing, and we did like a whole road trip in San Diego, so it's not as clean as it should be, but I guess it's clean enough. And then over here, I removed the battery because I'm working on a new battery case because while the friggin' alternator's not here, might as well work on something. And then the alternator's gone, should be back there. So yeah, man, there you go. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with the Integra because I know I haven't been doing a lot of new content other than like the aero stuff, but the aero looks pretty dang good. So I'll update you guys midweek to see if we got the new alternator.